how to change brake pads on the McLaren MP4-12C with basic tools. Couple of these, one of these, pretty big. We're taking out the wheel. Turn the caliper towards your position. Take a little screwdriver, tap the pin out. Two pins and a spring. Compress it. Comes right out. One pin, one spring, two pins. Use the screwdrivers to bring this out, the pad. Little by little, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You will have to compress the pistons. Do not take out the other pad because you want the resistance from it. You could take a couple of small crowbars and push the pistons back gently, simultaneously, because if you push one, the other one comes out, like so. So I want to do it simultaneously. Make the pistons go flush with the housing. And start replacing with new pads. Unfortunately, these pads are high performance because I take it to the track. They don't have the sensor notch in there, so I won't have brake sensor to know that the brakes went down. Since I frequently check them, it doesn't matter to me. So we insert the brake pad, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. If it's not going in, it means your pistons are not flush. This one's a little bit off. Very light taps, because again, the other piston might be out. Probably is. Let's make it flush. There you have one. Let's do the other. when you go to the McLaren dealer and you spend thousands of dollars for this simple project, shame on them. And they make it sound like they're doing something important. What we're going to do with this, we're going to wrap it back here and tie with a tie. Knowingly though that I don't have this, I must pay attention to the pad thickness every once in a while, especially when I take it to the track. Again, we compress the pistons together. They're flush, pretty much. Again, make sure you don't touch the boot, the dust boot. If you break it, then replace it. There we have it. Now we're going to replace the pins, 2 pins, and the spring. To replace the spring, there's an arrow up, and the curved portion faces out. Put the bottom pin first, makes it easier. Insert it all the way in, tap it flush. It would be nice if you got new pins, but I don't have time. This car's got to go back to track. Arrow up, like so, to put the other pin on. Provided I find it. There we go. Push. Get it lined up, tap. Well, that was it. It took me, I don't know, 5-7 minutes to do this. No labor costs, no $4,000 or $5,000, whatever they charge the dealer. Well, that was it. Thank you guys.